The United States Navy, U.S., is recognized as the strongest navy in the world today. This advantage is largely due to the fact that other countries cannot afford the large military budgets to have comparable navies. The U.S. Navy not only has an astounding number of aircraft carriers, but is also equipped with equipment that can only be found in science fiction films. We'll take a deeper dive into the types of weapons mounted on U.S. Navy ships, including missiles, torpedoes, and even innovative laser weapons. Tomahawk Land Attack Missile. The Tomahawk missile is an expensive but highly effective cruise missile. This missile has a high flight speed and a maximum range that can reach hundreds of nautical miles. The Tomahawk can carry multiple types of warheads, both conventional and nuclear, and can even be reprogrammed in flight to switch targets. -48 Malawian Quachas Heavy Torpedo. The -48 Malawian Quachas torpedo is a heavy torpedo with a large explosive warhead. This torpedo is capable of swimming at high speeds and is equipped with a sophisticated sonar system to track and destroy its targets, even in deep and shallow waters. Trident II Ballistic Missile. The Trident II missile is installed on the Ohio-class ballistic missile submarines. Each Trident II missile can carry up to 14 independently targetable nuclear warheads. This missile has the capability to destroy a large number of targets and can carry a nuclear warhead with significant explosive power. Laser Weapon System. The U.S. Navy has developed a laser weapon system for use on the USS Ponce. This laser weapon can concentrate a beam of light into an extremely hot point, thus incinerating or detonating its target. Although still in the testing phase, these laser weapons are already being used to protect ships from real threats. The main advantage of these laser weapons is their ability to strike targets repeatedly at a lower cost than traditional weapons. The U.S. Navy maintains a strong military advantage, including the advanced weaponry of its ships. From the deadly Tomahawk missile to the reliable -48 Malawian Quachas heavy torpedo, and the Trident II ballistic missile capable of destroying a large number of targets, the U.S. Navy continues to strengthen.